Despite the availability of a wide range of smartwatches, many users typically still feel the need to use a separate fitness tracker. This is because while many smartwatches work great as notification devices for mails and messages, the tracking features in them leave a lot to be desired. Thankfully, there are some devices already around that bridge this gap between a capable smartwatch and an efficient fitness tracker quite well. The watch we are featuring today falls in this category and comes from the house of Pebble, which is known for its feature-rich, smart-looking hardy watches.
Here we go!
The Pebble 2 Plus heart rate smartwatch lets you be fit and smart with one device. It is compatible with iPhone 4S and newer Apple devices running iOS 8 and above, as well as all Android devices running 4.3 Jelly Bean and above. Behind the sturdy look and feel that you can expect from all Pebble watches, it packs enough features that let you manage and act on your calls, texts, and app alerts effortlessly. Apart from the notifications from your phone, its inbuilt microphone lets you respond to calls and use voice dictation too. With the click of a button, you can reply to messages, record notes, and do a lot more. Its e-paper liquid crystal display with LED backlight is perfect for use even in bright sunlight, allowing you to use the watch no matter where you are. In true Pebble style, it also gives you an incredible battery life of up to 7 days on one charge, and water resistance up to 30 meters. On the fitness tracking front, the Pebble 2 Plus is equally capable. The 24/7 heart rate monitor keeps track of your pulse through the day, while the smart fitness tracker tracks steps, calories, runs, and long walks. All this information is synced seamlessly with Pebble Health. With more information on your heartbeats, you can stay in the ideal workout zone with a quick glance at the watch and focus on continuing. The tailored insights on your motion also help you perform better in reaching your fitness goals. Your sleep patterns are also tracked, and a vibrating smart alarm wakes you up once you're refreshed. You can further customize the watch's functionality using the 10,000 fitness, productivity, gaming, and control apps. Customization extends to the watch face too, of course. It's time to check out the user response for the Pebble 2 Plus smartwatch. With a high average score of 4.1 on 5 from close to 450 customers, this watch sure seems to be another winner from the guys at Pebble. A number of features in the watch have won people's hearts, including the easy usability, the accurate tracking, and the speed. The overall appearance, especially the wide choice in watch faces, also gets a lot of points. That's all from us for now on the Pebble 2 Plus heart rate smartwatch. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of smartwatches here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.